Hi everybody!
We are live on Facebook and we're
Now
live
we
on
are live on Instagram.
as
That's
well.
wonderful. Hi everybody.
Second.
No, I think click on the hair. The hair.
No, it's
Not happening anyway. Anyway, okay. So this is me, Antara Nandi.
And I am Ankita Nandi.
And we are live. Right back. Okay, so here's not wasting any more time. Let's try and sing you something.
Yeah.
ये दिल तुम बिन कहीं लगता नहीं, हम क्या करें। ये दिल तुम बिन कहीं लगता नहीं, हम क्या करें। तस्वीर में कोई बसता नहीं, हम क्या करें। तुम ही कह दो अब है जाने वफा, हम क्या करें। लुटे दिल में दिया चलता नहीं, हम क्या करें। किसी के दिल में बस के दिल को तड़पाना नहीं अच्छा। निगाहों को झलकते देख के छुप जाना नहीं अच्छा। उम्मीदों के खिले गुलशन को झुलसाना नहीं अच्छा। हमें तुम बिन कोई जचता नहीं, हम क्या करें। तुम ही कह दो अब है जाने वफा, हम क्या करें। ये दिल तुम बिन कहीं लगता नहीं, हम क्या करें। Hi everybody.
So many people
Alright,
are
I
live.
think I saw a comment on Facebook that said Ankita is not in frame. Can you see Ankita in frame? Is she in frame? Alright, so here's just to clarify to the people on Facebook. She's getting a little cut on the what's this? The left side because
Yeah.
we're trying to keep her in frame on Instagram.
Yes.
So it's kind of like striking a balance. Ankita is not in frame, says Drishti
Please
Dam.
move a little bit. Okay.
Okay,
Let's just try.
Is-
Yeah.
please let
Okay,
us know.
on Instagram, people, please tell us if my sister is in frame, if Antara is in frame right now. Yeah?
Please let us know if you can see Ankita right now. Everyone who said Ankita is not in frame. She's
All
fine?
right.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. So, okay, we already have
It's
a...
okay on Instagram. All right.
Perfect.
Cool.
Thank you so much. So, now that we have quite a few of you, thank you so much
Thank
for
you so
joining
much
this
for
live
joining,
session. Before we go ahead talking about anything else, let's tell you why we are live today. We are live today for a really, really noble cause. We are live in association with CRY. CRY is an association that helps more than 3.5 lakh underprivileged children who are
Affected due to this global pandemic and also this recently hit
Amphan.
super cyclone. Yes.
Amphan.
Yes.
So here's requesting all my viewers both on Instagram and Facebook. Please do donate. I'm going to post the link on the comment section and I'm going to pin it on the live. So here's requesting everyone who's watching, please
And
donate.
if, just in case you can't see the link on live, you can also view on Instagram. You can go to her bio. It's all also there on my bio, and on Facebook it's there in the description. So
Please do donate. Let's all do our bit and help our friends in need right now. Please support with whatever, no amount is less.
and CRY will provide with ration, hygiene kits, and whatever is required right now.
All right. So, okay, let's read out a few comments. Oh, Shreyas ji is watching us on Instagram. Thank you,
Hello.
Shreyas ji, for joining. Hope you're doing fine. We know things in Mumbai aren't in the best way. So please let us know how are you
Yes.
pulling through. Chitrita ji saying both are fabulous, dear. Thank you.
Thank you.
Rakesh ji saying wonderful voice. God bless. Thank you so much. Raja Chakraborty ji says.
Keto14 says, and the other one's name. Okay, introducing ourselves yet again. This is Antara, and I am Ankita, and we are the Nandi sisters. Yes.
And we are not twins. We posted like this. We had a post on Facebook that said, "Shoot your questions," and we are going to take up those questions. So there were like half a dozen questions that asked if we are twins, and we are not twins. We are 3 years apart. I'm older, she's younger. Stephen Dajji says, I will surely donate. Thank you so much for understanding the cause. Wow, Imane Dhunia Gua Dujane. Thank you so much. Arnab ji saying, hi Rockstar. Oh, Arnab da. Hi Arnab da. Hope you had a great birthday. Okay, so like we said, we are going to answer a couple of comments. Answer a couple of questions
we actually
had.
put up a Q&A kind of thing on Facebook as well as on Instagram. So we have a bunch of questions which we want to address.
Yeah. So, and I really hope that all the questions we're going to answer, I hope the viewers are there.
Yes.
Nobonita Deji, she
on
said,
Facebook.
Hanji.
Yes.
On Facebook, she said, do you always buy your dresses pairing with each other?
Honestly, most of our dresses are bought by my mom
Mama.
when
Yeah.
we are not there. Okay,
तो
we are not
पूरा
there.
मम्मी का mood होता है. She goes out shopping and then one day she just thinks that, oh my gosh, I can't choose which color, but both the pattern looks brilliant and I can't decide between the colors. She'll just end up buying two, and now we sort of like fit into the same size as well. So और भी problem solve हो गया. So it's absolutely mama's mood, whatever we wear.
Next question that we have is by Shruti Roy ji. How do you keep your voice clear of cough, and what do you do to keep throat infections away?
Well, I'll be honest here. मैं तो ये cough and cold से बहुत ज़्यादा पीड़ित रहती हूँ. I have mild asthma and I also have dust allergy. So her winter, I'm down with cold and cough. And once I catch it, it doesn't go away for like 2 to 3 months. I have to use the inhaler. And पता है, मतलब winter fashion, everyone looks forward to winter fashion. And here I am, every time I have to step out of home, I go completely like packed, wrapped, topi. You can't see like 1 square inch of my skin anywhere. And all my friends are like, isn't this too much, Antara? But it's just like,
She looks like an Eskimo.
Yeah. Utna karna padta hai, and yet I catch cold. So I don't think I'm the right person to tell you what should be done, but I think the usual, saving your throat, hamesha scarf use kariye, wear your sweaters, and use warm water. I think that's all. Hai na?
Huh,
Anything else?
that's-
Okay. Hi Ritika. Hi. I hope you had a wonderful birthday, Ritika. Jishpal ji saying you both are really beautiful. You have wonderful voice. Oh, thank you so
you.
much. You're being so kind.
Devashri Mitra ji saying, love you Nandi sisters. Devashri from Kolkata.
Oh, that reminds me. How are you pulling
Yes.
through Amphan? The pictures, हमने pictures देखे and we were really heartbroken to see what the people are facing there.
Exactly.
हमने
I heard that कहीं कुछ areas में पानी की कमी भी हो रही है because of this.
Amphan.
Yes.
So
I hope-
please let us know.
Yes.
Please heighten up your immune system, says Sharita Dhanraj ji.
Yes.
Bilkul. Today we were having a discussion about that. We even saw a video that said that we should take vitamin C capsules and things like that. So yeah, we are going to take the steps that have been prescribed, and hope you all are too. Joy Shri ji, twin sisters. No, we aren't twins. But well, thank you for saying that we look alike. I always मुझे हमेशा अंकिता बहुत ज़्यादा pretty लगती थी. So now that people are saying that we look
she
like
never told that to me. Honestly, she never told that to me on face.
so now I'm saying, bro. So yeah, now that people call us twins, it kind of feels nice. I feel like, wow, I look as good as her. Then wow, thanks. Ankita, you're so cute, says
Thank
Tulika ji.
you. Thank you.
चलिए कुछ गाएं क्या?
हाँ, sure.
क्या गाएं? Oh, all right. So Prasanna ji, he's one music producer I really admire. We've had the fortune to work together in one project. Yeah, we've planned 1,000 of times, but we've worked only once together. So he wanted me to sing a Tamil song by Rahman sir.
Yes.
Us to sing that. So Ankita is going to attempt Tamil for the first time. माफ करिएगा अगर
कोई भूल चूक हो जाए तो.
Let's go. आप अंतर मुंबे वायन अनबेवा उड़ेवा उइरेवा मुंबे वायन अनबेवा पूपूवाय पूपूवा ना 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 केटेन एन्निनारे नानिया நெஞ்சம் சொன்னதே முன்பே வாயேன் அன்பேவா உணவா உயிரேவா முன்பே வாயேன் அன்பேவா பூப்பூவாய் பூப்பூவா பூவைத்தாய் நீ பூவைக்கோர் பூவைத்தாய் மன பூவைத்து பூவைத்து பூவைக்குள் தீ வைத்தாய் மழையில் ஆட நான் நனைந்து வாட என் நாடத்தில் உன்றட்டும் நாடி கொலும் சத்தம் உயிரேவோ தோடு ஒரு சில நாடி தனியனாடா தரையின மீனும் முன்பே வாயன் அன்பேவா உணவா உயிரேவா முன்பே வாயன் அன்பேவா பூப்பூவாய் பூப்பூவா. Ankita tried Tamil for the first time. She sang this Thai. Next time she's promised me to prepare the antara also.
Yes.
Love you too. Please tell
Wow,
how
you
do
sing Tamil nicely.
Thank you. I was so scared. Pompey Majumdar ji saying hi Nandi sisters. Hello. Amrapali ji saying both of you looking very pretty. Thank you.
Thank you,
Credits
thank
to
you,
Mama.
thank
She
you.
takes care of
Yes.
this. क्या बात है
क्या बात है,
loving it. Thank
Thank
you.
you,
Thank you
thank
so
you.
much.
Balaji Johnson ji saying your Tamil is great. I don't get any difference.
Oh, thank
Thank
you.
you.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Beautiful song, lovely sisters. Thank you.
Thank
So
you,
soothing
thank
and
you.
melodious. Thank you. Celium Filius on Instagram says Malayalam, please. Yes.
Yes.
We've been getting quite a few requests for Malayalam. So we're gonna attempt singing one. What is it there? No? Okay. So we're gonna attempt singing a little bit of a Malayalam song. Pardon us if we make mistakes. കാത്തിരുന്ന് കാത്തിരുന്ന് പുഴമേലിഞ്ഞു കടവൊഴിഞ്ഞു കാലവം കടന്നുപോയി വേനലങ്ങൾ പോയി വലകലൂർന്നു പോയി ഓർത്തിരുന്ന് ഓർത്തിരുന്ന് നിഴലു പോലെ ചിറകൊടിഞ്ഞു കാറ്റിലാടിനാലമായി നൂലു പോലെ നീർത്തുപോയി ചിരി മറന്നു പോയി. That was 2 lines of a Malayalam song. Let us know if you think the pronunciations were okay. Because if they were not, please let us know what corrections are to be made. You both are just amazing. Such a lovely voice. Thank you so much. Alright, here's getting back to the questions we had.
Kamal Dekha ji saying, where's your father from?
And what's your education?
Yes.
Okay. You want to answer that?
You go for.
Okay. So, my parents, they're both from Assam. We are from Assam. My father is from Nunmati, Guwahati. He did his college from REC Silchar, which is now also known as NIT. And now since I spoke about that, I'll also tell about my mom. My mom's from Tezpur, from Thana Road. And she did her entire schooling in Tezpur and she studied in Nagaon. Like her college was in Nagaon. And I'm from Sibsagar.
And I was born in Tinsukia.
And now we live in Pune. We spent our school days in Kolkata. About our education, I did my schooling in Kolkata in Delhi Public School, Ruby Park, Kolkata.
I did my education from elementary to class 9 in Kolkata, then from class 10 to 12 in Pune.
Right, and I am doing my graduation in Pune right now from Symbiosis Center of Media and Communications. Just by the way, I would have been a graduate by now, but well, lockdown struck us down.
Technically, even I would have been considered a
Class
class
12
12 pass at least.
So
But-
yes, that's all about our education. About Ma and Devta, that was Abhijit Chalihaji. We just spoke everything. Hope you heard that. All right. So Rahul Banik ji. Rahul Banik ji is our top fan on Facebook.
Yes.
So we thought we'd sing his request. He wanted us to sing Zara Zara. So we're gonna try and sing Zara Zara. Do we have that? Do you have that? Huh. Alright, so she's gonna look for Zara Zara. Meanwhile, here's just reminding all our viewers who have joined in right now that we are doing this live session in association with CRY. CRY is a great organization which is helping over 3.5 lakh underprivileged children who are affected by the pandemic and now Amphan. So let's all get together. We are the privileged ones, and we have to help our, our kind who are suffering through so much. So let's all do our part. Please donate. The link is in the description of this live. Is it in the description yet?
On Facebook.
Oh, it's on Facebook. You can find it on the post that I've put right before this live session. On Instagram, it's on both of our bios.
Yes.
So kindly click on that link and please donate. No amount is less. Let's all do our part. Let's get our kind through the storm that we are all facing. CRY has taken up this wonderful step, and here's repeating everything again. CRY will provide ration, hygiene kits, and whatever else the kids require right now. We have to help this organization do this noble work that they are doing. So thank you everybody who's joined this live session, and you are actually aiding this wonderful cause. Okay. What were the chords though?
I'm not really
Okay, so let's just sing it.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
जरा जरा महकता है आज तो मेरा तन बदन मैं प्यासी हूँ मुझे भर ले अपनी बाहों में है मेरी कसम तुझको सनम दूर कहीं ना जा ये दूरी कहती है पास मेरे आजा रे आजा रे आजा रे यूं ही बरस बरस काली घटा बरसे हम यार भीग जाए इस चाहत की बारिश में मेरी खुली खुली लटों को सुलझाए तू अपनी उंगलियों से मैं तो हूँ इस ख्वाहिश में सर्दी की रातों में हम सोए रहे एक चादर में हम दोनों तन्हा हो ना कोई भी रहे इस घर में जरा जरा महकता है आज तो मेरा तन बदन मैं प्यासी हूँ मुझे भर ले अपनी बाहों में है मेरी कसम तुझको सनम दूर कहीं ना जा ये दूरी कहती है पास मेरे आजा रे.
That was for you, our top fan, Rahul Banik ji. Thank you so much for requesting such a wonderful song. We have a lot of requests for an Assamese number. Would you want to go for an Assamese number? Let's do that.
All right.
iBooks is right here.
Yeah.
Okay, so we are going for the number that we are going to go for. This is one of our favorites, and I'm sure most of our Assamese listeners have also heard this song. It's a song by someone who we've admired all our lives, Zubinda.
Yes.
আশা কৰিছো আপোনালোকে ভাল পাব বুলি এণ্ড আপোনালোকে সকলোৱে গানটো জানে so please sing along with us Oh, I see Piali ji saying it's one of my favorite songs. You guys are just great. Thank you so much. We're so glad. We देखा हमने पहले अंदाजा लगा लिया कि ये आपका फेवरेट गाना होगा तभी kidding. But thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Maya Mathumaya says Stephen Dajji on Instagram. Yup, that's what. Meghali ji saying watching you go from Tezpur. We get so excited when we see Guwahati or Tezpur because that's where our parents are from. So thank you so much for joining us from my mom's homeland. I didn't understand anything, but your voice is mesmerizing. Says
I can listen to you the whole day. Oh my god, thank you.
Thank you. Oh, just by the way, for the ones who want to donate, अभी एक comment pinned है on the live session on Facebook, so you can donate on the link that's on the pinned comment.
Yes.
So yeah, please do that and let's all do our parts. Okay. Sumona ji is saying both of you are love, take love from Bangladesh. Wow. Thank you so much for joining us. আশা করছি আপনারা ভালো আছেন প্লিজ লেট আস নো প্লিজ সিং আ বেঙ্গলি সং ইয়েস উই অলওয়েজ হ্যাভ আ বেঙ্গলি রিকোয়েস্ট রাইট আফটার অ্যান আস্ক মি সং সো উই আর প্রিপেয়ার্ড উইথ ওয়ান যে গানটা আমরা এখন গাইতে যাচ্ছি বাংলাতে দিস ইজ আ জেম ওকে আই এম নট গোইং টু স্পয়েল ইট বাই টকিং অ্যাবাউট ইট লেটস জাস্ট সিং ইট আশা করছি কোনো ভুল ভ্রান্তি না করি যদি করি প্লিজ ক্ষমা করে দেবেন আই থিংক yours is a little untuned can you play it A little. Okay. Okay.
On Instagram it says na just a second na jiya jaye na.
Yes, that's the Hindi version.
Yes.
Na jiya na jiya lage na.
Yes.
Yep, but you got it. Yay.
Hindi version of it is jiya lage na. Yes. You're right.
Scribbling Sins. Hi, I was missing you in the live session. Shinjita, I
Bengali
think.
songs in your voice is love.
Thank you, Shinjita. Anturer Antura. Yes, there's a page called Anturer Antura on Instagram and the admin is just a sweetheart. She says ki mishti gecho. Khali nishtuku dekhte parlam comment tar, but thank you so much. Kaur Mani, she's a top fan of ours, says awesome and she's clapping. Thank you so much. Aap kaisi hain? How's everything at home? Hope you're keeping safe and sound. You guys are looking gorgeous. Thank you. Thank you so much. This is really kind of you. Okay, let's go back to answering a few questions.
Yes.
So now we're done with
No, we are actually left with one more question
from Facebook.
Facebook. Yeah.
Antara Bhomik Madan ji says, when are you recording for a Bollywood movie, Antara? Well, ये मेरे हाथ में तो नहीं है. We are both trying our best. We are putting out content just so we can reach the right ears and the right eyes. कोशिश जारी है और बस आप लोग आशीर्वाद करते रहिए और
शेयर करते रहिए ताकि
हम पहुंचे कहीं. Yep. So please bless us and thank you for giving so much love. Okay, so now we are moving to the Insta questions.
Yes.
Instagram pe I had a question from Miss Madan Ant. Are you Antara Bhomik Madan from Facebook? Please let us know. She says, how do you manage academics and singing?
Well, for me, I think taking out time for music is something we love, right? So you do not have to, take out time for something that you
Right.
love. Time निकल जाता है ऐसे.
ये हो गया शायराना बात. अब असलियत पे आते हैं. थोड़ा स्ट्रगल तो होता है. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू लाई. और ऊपर से मेरा भी साइंस था 11th-12th में, इनका भी साइंस है. So it gets a little difficult. Yeah, you are going to have to manage time in a better way, I think. जब और लोग जाके they can sit around and laze around, you can use that time in a better way. Have a better schedule, I think. अभी तक हम वैसे टिप्स देने लायक कोई है नहीं, but it's just something that we followed all our lives, so I think we're just sharing our little bit. एक strict schedule follow करिए, सुबह उठिए, just make better use of time. Have it all chalked out. Big fan of your lovely voice, says Meghali. Thank you.
Thank you.
Zubairji says hi. Hello.
All Tezpur plus Assam people's blessings are with you. Keep it up. Blessings are always with you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Rebajeet Deka ji. Thank you so much. ये Facebook पे कुछ तो glitch है. अचानक से ना comments आते हैं तो रुक जाते हैं. Yeah. So like one of us has to go and scroll all the way down. I'm so sorry if we are missing out on some comments. I can see Payal Bhattacharya ji saying sweet voice. Thank you. Here's reminding everybody again. एक comment pin किया हुआ है
On Facebook
live session पे. You can please.
वहाँ पे एक link दिया हुआ है. Please go and donate.
This is
Cry.
Yes, and this live session is in association with Cry, who are doing their bit to help the underprivileged children who've been hit down by the pandemic and Amphan right now. Also, just to remind everybody, Cry is also doing a lot of work for people affected in Kalighat, Kolkata by Amphan.
Yes.
So kindly please donate right here. This is for a
on
good cause.
Instagram, remember our links on the bio in both our profiles. So please go and donate
on that link.
Yes.
You girls are rocking. Awesome. Says
Thank you.
I'm not able to read that. FPCF. Okay. Cool. Thank you so much. All right. Oh my gosh. There are so many comments and this Facebook thing is just gets stuck there.
Eagerly waiting for your Bollywood blockbuster song.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Please pray for us. Please give us your blessings.
Jathai is on Instagram. Love you guys. Love you back.
Jathai, we absolutely love you. It's Eid tomorrow. So thank you, Mama, Papa, for reminding. कल ईद है और सबको ईद मुबारक पहले से ही. Hope you all have a safe Eid. हाँ, इस बार घर से नहीं निकल पाएंगे. But everything has its own perks. Spend time with your family and enjoy. प्रदीप नंदी जी का कमेंट नीचे छुपा हुआ है, says you both are awesome. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Instagram में questions and answer गुलो please. Scribbling sins. Yes. Acta করে দিচ্ছি. Okay, so we had a request for a Tamil song by Prasanna ji, which we did.
Now we have.
How long do you do Riyaz? Says Smiley Archie 07. आप आंसर करेंगी?
It actually depends on our mood.
Actually,
हाँ. अगर कभी कभार होता है ना ऐसा मूड आ जाता है कि अरे यार आज तो करेंगे, फुर्सत से करेंगे, आज ढंग से करेंगे, तो हो जाता है 2-2.5 घंटे.
उससे ज्यादा कभी कभी 3 घंटे तक हो जाता है. जब तक मम्मी आके पीछे से बोलती नहीं चल उठ अब कितना रियाज करेगी, तब तक हम बैठे रहते हैं.
और कभी कभार टाइम की कमी हो जाती है तो मतलब 15 मिनट सा खर्च
करके निकल लिए काम के लिए. सो इट्स एक्चुअली कंप्लीटली मूड. ऑल राइट. I'm going to have to scroll through my Facebook comments. You are blessed by Saraswati Devi and you have a golden
Thank
voice, says
you,
Bhupen
thank
Shahaji.
you,
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everybody. Shomi Lata ji says soothing voice. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, we have a request for a Marathi number.
We'll sing the one that we
Prepped? Oh, or do you want to sing? Oh, you want to sing this? Okay,
Yeah.
cool. तो हम अभी एक मराठी गाना थोड़ा सा गुनगुना देते हैं. This is the song that we uploaded a couple of weeks back on my Facebook page on महाराष्ट्र डे और हमें आप सबसे बहुत सारा प्यार मिला है. राज ठाकरे जी ने हमारा ये वीडियो शेयर किया. आई एम श्योर ऑल ऑफ यू नो दैट और ये हो पाया है just because you all shared the video and you know it probably reached him that way. So thank you so much for that. 2 lines from that song.
रेशमाच्या रेखानी लाल काळ्या धाग्यानी कर्नाटकी घशीला मी काढीला हात नगलाव माझ्या साडीला रेशमाच्या रेखानी लाल काळ्या धाग्यानी कर्नाटकी घशीला मी काढीला हात नगलाव माझ्या साडीला
So, to listen to the rest of the song, you can go to the video, which is on my Facebook as well as on Instagram, and you can
yes.
let us know what you think about the video. Oh, it's
Oh,
also
it's
on
on
YouTube.
YouTube,
I
yeah.
absolutely always forget to promote my YouTube channel. It's also on YouTube. आप मेरे YouTube पे ये वीडियो देख सकते हैं. देख के जरूर बताइएगा कैसा लगा. All right. So now Tulika Emdaji says,
Antara, your eyes are so beautiful.
thank you. Thanks a lot.
आँखें जो तेरी देखी
Thank you. Tuk Tuk never dedicates songs to me. चलो इस बहाने इसने मेरे लिए गाना dedicate कर दिया. এটা অসমীয়াও গাবা প্লিজ নিহাৰ জি. আমি এটা অসমীয়া গান গালো. আমি মায়া গাইছিলো অলপ আগত. এই লাইভ সেশনটো শেষ হোৱাৰ পিছত শুনিব আৰু আমাক জনাব ভাল লাগিছে নে নাই. ঠিক আছে? One more Malayalam song please. Riya ji, our stock of Malayalam song is really small and by small I mean one. And that stock is presently exhausted. But now since you said, we are working on a couple of like projects on आप बहुत लोगों ने हमें बहुत सारे लैंग्वेजेस में गाने का रिक्वेस्ट भेजा है. हम उन सारे लैंग्वेजेस में धीरे धीरे काम करना स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं. बट हमें थोड़ा समय दीजिए बिकॉज वी वॉन्ट टू वर्क इन परफेक्शन. हम ऐसा नहीं चाहते कि अगर जैसे मलयालम गाना गाया, वी जस्ट वॉन्ट दैट व्हेन पीपल लिसन टू इट, मलयालीज say that we don't sound like non-Malayalis. So we are trying to work for that perfection and we hope आप लोग धैर्य धरेंगे थोड़ा सा और हाँ, just help us with the diction and everything.
Yeah, that for sure.
That has to happen. All right, going back to the questions on Instagram.
Ukulele tips for beginners
Says
by
Iyer Samhita
26.
26. Samhita जी, honestly हम खुद beginners हैं. हम अभी तक सीख ही रहे हैं. So we are still trying to crack out this wonderful instrument. It's just a wonderful instrument, just by the way. So once we have actually cracked everything out और हमें कुछ सीख मतलब हम कुछ सीख लें, उसके बाद हम आपको पक्का टिप्स देंगे. अभी टिप्स देने लायक हम बड़े नहीं हुए हैं.
The only thing that we can say is just sit with the uke, try to figure out something.
हाँ, play around with it.
Yeah.
It's the एक तो छोटू सा है. It's mobile and it's so comfortable, especially for like 5 feet creatures like us. So yeah, just have a lot of fun. I'm going to scroll. Request for a
Hats off
Bengali
to your
song.
parents. এত সুন্দর upbringing, খুব ভালো থেকো তোমরা.
Thank you,
Thank
Nupur
you.
ji.
And of course, my parents are amazing.
Actually না, এখানে আমি একটু বলবো. We Nandis, we are like a team.
Yes. And
गाड़ी
the
के-
4 people are the 4 pillars or the 4 wheels
Wheels
of a car.
हाँ, एक पहिया निकल जाएगा ना, पूरी गाड़ी उलट जाएगी. So yes, we work together and yeah, we're really lucky to have such wonderful parents. कुछ नहीं हो पाता हमारा अगर पेरेंट्स नहीं होते हमारे इतने अच्छे वाले. It's a nice song. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Besides singing, what's your aim in life? Kalyan Jyoti Gogoi ji. Thank you for asking that question. I am a student of media and communications. So here's a little secret for everybody. The world behind the camera has always appealed to me. जैसे एक शो हुआ, जैसे reality show. So the creative team, the work that a creative team does, the people who make a show the way that you see it, the way that people come to love that show, that's the kind of work I have always found really nice. So yeah, that's what I've been studying. I studied media and communications just to get a little more insight into the industry. Who knows, I might pursue it further. Just keeping all doors open, just saying. And if you're asking about hobbies and everything, मुझे हमारे बहुत सारी hobbies हैं.
Huh, and actually we had one
Question that said, what are your hobbies? What are your other talents? Says Nagaraj ji. That was a question that was sent on Ankita's Instagram. So, apart from singing, Ankita?
मुझे एक्चुअली सिंगिंग से थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा डांसिंग पसंद है और आई वांट टू बी एन एक्ट्रेस, बट अब क्या करें, भगवान ने तो हाइट तो दिया नहीं, मतलब अभी
कोई नहीं, हमारे म्यूजिक वीडियो में अंकिता एक्ट करेगी, है ना? So yeah, is that it?
हाँ,
That's it? Okay. I really like drawing, but drawing छूट गया है मेरा because of college and everything. But I really want to, once I have a job and I sort of like calm down a little bit, I really want to take up my painting classes again.
you should really see some of her paintings. I mean, they're really nice.
ये है हमारी फ्री की पीआर करते हुए हमारी फ्री की पीआर एजेंट. But yeah, and also I really love
She
to
writes
write.
well. Yes, I was just going to say that.
Thank you. I really like to write. मैं बचपन में poems लिखती थी.
Yeah, she has a diary जहाँ पे वो class 4-5 से she started writing poems and all. They're really sweet.
I really want to make use of that skill. Yeah, I really want to write more. Don't worry, अगर
इससे याद आया, how many of you actually know what is her own written composition that was uploaded on YouTube?
why she's saying that is because when I say writing, I also mean writing songs.
Yes.
तो आप में से कितने लोगों को पता है मेरे जिंदगी का पहला गाना ऐसा कौन सा ये what was that song that I wrote? मेरे जिंदगी का पहला मेरा लिखा हुआ गाना कौन सा है? Please let us know in the comment section. I'm looking at Instagram and on Facebook. Let us know.
Small hint, वो YouTube पे uploaded है. Yes.
हमें बताइएगा if you know. Yeah, so I really want to stick to writing. I really like writing. चलो और कहीं नहीं लिख पाई ना, don't worry. I'm going to bore all of you writing long, really long Facebook posts and
Yes.
Instagram too.
Okay,
Be ready.
Kasturidas ji says, जा उड़ जा.
Yes! You are my real buddy. Thank you. For the ones who haven't heard Ja Ud Ja Re, that was the first song I ever wrote. Like I said, I wrote it in class.
Someone has written
Seven,
मेरे
no?
सपने थे सारे टूटे. That line from
हाँ
that
जी.
song.
Annie ji says, दिल क्या समझा गया? Close, but that was the second song I wrote. Ja Ud Ja Re was the first song I wrote. जिन्होंने नहीं सुना है मेरे YouTube channel पे, you can type Ja Ud Ja Re by Antara Nandi and you'll find it. Please सुन के बताइएगा कैसा लगा. And a lot of you might have questions about वो गाना क्यों लिखा है. That I'm going to address in my next live session. है ना?
Yeah.
कुछ तो बचा लेते हैं अगले live session के लिए. Swati ji says, please bring your parents on screen. Yes, we really want to, but not today. We have planned, we really want to do a live session with our parents. A lot of you have been asking for the same. I'm from Tinsukia. You both were from Tinsukia? Yes, we lived
Yes,
for some time.
I was born in Tinsukia.
Yes, and I did my elementary schooling from Buddingburg Senior
Yes.
Secondary School. और पता है मेरे म्यूजिक की तालीम भी वही शुरू हुई अंडर पिंकी बॉय ठाकुर मैम. वो आती थी मुझे ज्योति खोंगी, राभा खोंगी and other आधुनिक Assamese songs she used to teach me. She was my first music teacher. So yeah. Tuk Tuk is my mom's nickname.
Oh, we share the same nickname? Oh,
Your
hello to
nickname
you, Mom.
twins.
Yes.
बर्नाली साहा जी তোমরা দারুণ খুব সুন্দর গাও.
Thank you.
You can speak so many languages. Just 4 as of now, but
Learning the 5th language.
which is Marathi. Yes, we really like picking up languages क्योंकि ना क्या होता है कि ऐसे there are so many beautiful compositions in so many other languages, other than the languages that we already know. So it pushes us to want to learn more languages and get better just so we could learn those other songs. So yeah, we're working on Marathi right now. अभी समझ तो लेते हैं बोल टूटा फूटा लेते हैं. Hope you all are well. Yes, we are. Hope you're well as well. Hope well as well. Hope you're doing just about fine. Sing something? Yes, sure. What are we singing? While we try to decide what we are singing. Ankita, you had a question that asked, where have you been learning music?
Oh, okay. So, my sister has been my guru actually, because जब से मैंने होश संभाला है तब से I have woken up to her sa and kharaj every day at 5 a.m. in the morning. Like हमारे घर पे अलार्म क्लॉक की जरूरत ही नहीं है. She is our alarm clock. 5 बजे शुरू हो जाती है सा. अब कान के सामने कोई अगर सा करेगा तो आपका नींद कैसे नहीं टूटेगा. So I've grown up listening to that. And apart from that, yes, Chandan Roy Chaudhary sir, I have learned under him. It was really nice learning under him. I used to enjoy those classes. Yes.
I think Ankita got her
First
recording.
Yes, studio recording training under him.
Yes. We had a wonderful time under Chandan sir. We got to dub for so many background scores and
And title tracks for
in
Bengali TV serials.
And then she keeps forgetting, so I'm just gonna step in here. She also learned in KM Music.
KM Music Conservatory. Yes. How do I forget this? How do I forget this?
Yeah.
Yes.
All right. So we've been talking for quite a while. कुछ गाते हैं.
हाँ जी.
बहुत प्यार करते हैं तुमको सनम, बहुत प्यार करते हैं तुमको सनम, कसम चाहे ले लो, कसम चाहे ले लो, खुदा की कसम, बहुत प्यार करते हैं तुमको सनम, बहुत प्यार करते हैं तुमको सनम, हमारी गज़ल है तसव्वुर तुम्हारा, तुम्हारे बिना बना जीना गवारा, तुम्हें यूं ही चाहेंगे, तुम्हें यूं ही चाहेंगे जब तक है दम, बहुत प्यार करते हैं तुमको सनम, बहुत प्यार करते हैं तुमको सनम.
That was a little jam on this wonderful song.
And once again, please do donate to Cry India.
डोनेट करने के लिए जिस लिंक पे आपको क्लिक करना है, the link is in
फेसबुक
the
पे अभी कमेंट पिन किया हुआ है, वहाँ पे है वो लिंक. प्लीज क्लिक ऑन दैट. एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट इंस्टाग्राम पे इट्स ऑन बोथ ऑफ आवर प्रोफाइल्स बायो में. So please go and donate. After all, this is for a good cause.
a very noble cause.
Yes.
It's just for the people who have joined right now. This live session is in fact in association with
With
Cry.
Cry.
Cry is helping children, underprivileged children who have been struck down by the pandemic and Amphan.
Amphan, yes.
And they need a little help from us. I mean, we
Are the privileged class, right?
yes, and
So-
we absolutely should. This is like a moral duty to help the ones in need right now. No amount is less. Like I've said before, please go ahead and do donate.
Yes.
Hi Ankita, love from Assam ki khobor amar bhal. All right, so oh Arpita Didi, she's a top fan. She says, oh my gosh, the comment just went.
Just went.
Oh,
my
thank you anyway, Arpita Didi, for joining. All right, so here's when it's time for us to sign out. Thank you, everybody, every single one of you who
For
joined
joining,
this live
yes.
session. Before we leave, we are, however, going to try and sing you the song that we uploaded yesterday. जिन लोगों ने देखा है, thank you so much for watching. जिन्होंने नहीं देखा है, हम आपको एक छोटा सा ट्रेलर अभी देते हुए जाते हैं. After this live session, you can go ahead and watch it. What were the chords though?
इश्क जैसे है कहानी, इश्क है एक तूफान, इश्क के आगे बेबस है दुनिया में हर इंसान, इश्क में सब दीवाने हैं, इश्क में सब हैरान, इश्क में सब कुछ मुश्किल है, इश्क में सब आसान, देखो प्यारे ये नजारे, ये दीवाने, ये परवाने हैं, इश्क में कैसे गुम।
हाय
नी सा पानी 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 पा पा मा पा मा पा गा मा पानी सा नी सा पानी 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 पा पा मा पा मा पा गा मा पानी सा गा रे सा मा गा रे पा गा रे सा रे नी सा पानी पा पा गा मा रे गा सा रे नी सा गा रे सा रे सा गा रे सा रे गा मा पा दा नी सा नी सा गा रे सा रे गा मा पा दा नी सा रे नी सा गा रे सा रे गा मा पा दा नी सा गा रे दा सा नी सा गा रे सा पा दा नी मा पा दा गा मा पा नी गा मा पा गा रे मा गा मा पा दा नी सा पा नी सा रे गा रे गा मा पा दा रे सा तुमसे मिलके दिल का है जो हाल क्या कहे, हो गया है कैसा ये कमाल क्या कहे, तुमसे मिलके दिल का है जो हाल क्या कहे, हो गया है कैसा ये कमाल क्या कहे, तुम तर तुम तर गुम तर तुम तर गुम तर तुम तर गुम्बा, तुम तर गुम तर गुम तर गुम तर गुम तर गुम तर गुम, तुम तर गुम तर गुम तर गुम तर गुम तर गुम तर गुम्बा, तुम तर गुम तर गुम तर गुम तर गुम तर गुम तर गुम.
Thank you so much, everybody. Here's a last reminder. Please do click on the link that's on the pinned comment on Facebook and the ones on Instagram. You can go to our bios. The
yes.
link is on the bio. Please click and donate. This is for a very, very noble cause. This live session was in association with Cry. Thank you so much, Cry, for hosting, for helping all these children who are in need. And thank you, everybody, for joining this live session, for joining such a noble cause. Hope you're all keeping well. Keep well. Stay safe. This is me, Antara Nandi,
and this is me Ankita Nandi
signing out.